Hi everyone, Dennis here. Now, since the launch of iOS 18, it's super easy to record calls on your iPhone. Let's take a look. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that you're running iOS 18 or newer. How you go about this is, on your iPhone, you need to click on the settings app and then scroll down to general. Once you choose general, you can click on about and you can see the iOS version of your phone. In case you are on iOS 17, you can head back, choose software update, and an update will be shown on your phone. After confirming our iOS version, we can go ahead and make the call. When we look at the top left corner of our screen, we can see a new icon that allows us to record our calls.
Hello.
Hi Ngogi, how are you?
Hello, hi.
This call will be recorded.
So I just wanted to make this call in order to create a video on how we can record calls on iPhone. Yeah, and I appreciate your help. I'll talk to you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. So once you're done with the call, you end the call and automatically the recording is also ended. A pop-up notification from your Notes app shows you that you can view your saved call. In order for us to view our recording, we need to open the Notes app on our phone. So I'll go ahead and open the Notes app. And as we can see on the Today tab, we can see a call with Ngugi. So I'll open that and I can click on play. So I just wanted to make this call in order to create a video. That is our call. I'm not going to play the whole of it. We can save the audio to files and we can also share the audio. Well, there you have it. That is how we record calls on our iPhone. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.